సో తర్వాత మనం చూసుకున్నట్టయితే గివెన్ సమ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్కి డేటాకి మనం మీన్ మీడియన్ మోడ్ కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత వెరిఫై కూడా చేస్తాం. అయితే ఆ వెరిఫికేషన్ కంపల్సరీ కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ఆ వెరిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ కంప్లీట్లీ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఎంపిరికల్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, చూడండి. సో ఫస్ట్ మీన్. సో మీన్ అంటే మనకి సమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. సమ్ని మనము ఇంకొక పేరుతో కూడా మనం ఇంకొక సింబల్తో మనం డినోట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆ సింబల్ పేరు ఏంటంటే సిగ్మా. ఓకే, అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ని మనం ఎక్స్ఐ అనే పేరుతో డినోట్ చేస్తాం. సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ఐ బై నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అంటే మనం క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్. ప్రతిసారి మనము ఆ సెంటెన్స్ రాయకుండా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో మనం ఏ సింబల్ యూస్ చేసి సమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అంటే సిగ్మా, అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ అంటే ఎక్స్ఐ. సో సిగ్మా మీన్స్ సమ్మేషన్, xi means observations, sum of observations by n means number of observations. Okay, so that will be 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 15 plus 15 plus 16 plus 16 plus 18 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 24 plus 25 whole divided by a number of observations. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16 observations. Okay, now we have to add all these values. So 9 so let me do in very smart way. 24 plus 16 40, again 24 plus 60 40, so 40 and one more 40. Next 25 oka 15, again one more 40. 22 oka 80, again one more 40. So next 10 plus 12 22, 22 13 35, 35 15 50. Next remaining 2 13s 26 plus 9 35, ఇంకా మిగిలింది మనకి ఒక 23. సో 35 plus 23 58. సో 58 50 108 108 40 40 40 120 120 ఒక 108 228 228 one more 40 268. Okay, so 268 by 16. So let me confirm one second. Nine plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 15 plus 15 plus 16 plus 16 plus 18 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 24 plus 25. So 268 by 16 is exactly correct answer, and if you do the value it will be approximately 16 1s are 16, 10 remainder 8, 16 8s are 128, it will be greater, 16 7s are 112, no 16 6s are 96. So 108 minus 96 is 12. If you put point here it will become 0. Again 16 7s are 112, 8, we can put one more 0, 16 5s are 80. So the mean of the following observations is 16.75. Now regarding median. Median means middlemost value in ascending order or in descending order. Now here if the number of observations is odd, then we can directly get the middlemost value, but if the number of observations is even, we have to find the mean of the middlemost two values. Okay, here total number of observations are 16. First let me arrange in either ascending or descending order. Okay, so usually we will arrange in ascending order. So 9, next 10, okay, next 12, I think it is not itself. Okay, So 9, 12, 13, 13, 13, 15, 15, 15, sorry, 15, 15, 16, 16, 18, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25. Now out of the 16 values, 16 observations, which is the half middle of the 16th observation, means 8th observation. Okay, but since the number of observations is even, we cannot directly get a middlemost observation. So it would be 8th and 9th observation, mean of 8th and 9th observation. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 15 plus 16 by 2, that is 15.5. 31 by 2, it will be 15.5. Now coming to mode, we can directly see and tell. Mode means the most repeated value of the data. So here the most repeated value is 13. It was repeated 3 times, and no other value is repeated as many as 13. Okay, so it would be 13. So mean is 16.75, median is 15.5, and mode is 13. Okay, now if you want to verify the following values by empirical formula, we have the formula 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus 1 mode. So it would be 3 into 15.5 is equal to 2 into 16.75 plus 13. So let me check the value of 3 into 15.5. It would be 45 plus 1.5, so 46.5. The LHS value is 46.5. Now let me check here. 2 into 16 is 32, and 2 into 0.75 is 1.5, so it would be 33.5 plus 13. So even this value is 46.5, and hence the values which we got is correct. And if not also, see, some values may not obey the relation, may not obey this empirical relation. See, the empirical relation itself, it says that it is an empirical relation, means it is derived from the past calculations. It doesn't have any theoretical support. Okay, so we are not at all bothered about this empirical relation, and the only thing you have to remember is to find mean, median, and mode for this raw data. Okay,